So with Headcanon, you have the first page, which allows you to see all of the various categories, as well as the 5 most recent stories added to the website. You can then go to the new chapter page, which allows you to see the story title, as well as enter in a summary for the story. So I'll be adding in a Halo mutation for the title, and then add in my own summary. From there, you can select one of the various genres, which will be chosen to add the category for the story. You can then enter in tags that will describe the story. After that, you can then select the image that will be chosen as the story cover and will be displayed on the main page as well as on various listings for the story. You can then add in a title for the first chapter, so I'll be choosing to make it Chapter 1, Strange New World. And then you can choose to add in some content for the first chapter, so I'll be adding in some of my own, and from there I'll be choosing to stylize some of the text, which I can do with the rich text editor. And from there you can select the submit story button, which will complete the submission as well as add the content for the story to the post page. Or you can select the update story, which will take all of the inputted content, and if the story already exists, it will update it. But for now, I'm just going to select. And so once that's done, you'll then see a new page which will show the story. As you can see, there's the story title as well as the story summary on top. And on the sidebar, you can get the author's name, the book cover image, the genre, the text that will describe the story, and also share the story on various social media. If you want to select a different chapter, you can go to the drop down menu, click the chapter that you want, and change the page's content to match the new chapter. Or you can select the previous chapter button or the next chapter button to go between chapters. From there you can then click the edit story button, and then you can see various text editors which will allow you to edit the content of the current chapter. So as you can see, the content here matches the content up here for the title as well as the content. And then you can select the save story button, which will update the content of the current chapter, or you can click the add story button, which will allow you to add an entirely new chapter. So for now, I'm just going to keep it the same. So when looking for a new story to read, you can go to the browse page, and from here you can see the 10 most recent stories listed. If you want to see stories that are similar based on the genre or tags, you can click on the genre or the tags button to go there.